Hello all and welcome back to my channel. This channel is all about Shivu. So this video is going to be very special because this is my first big purchase from Nykaa Haul, you can say. I purchased all of these items back when the sale was going on Nykaa. So I've got all of this from Love Pink sale from Nykaa, and I'm dying to show you what all I've bought and what all I have repurchased. Uh, so I've divided all of the items into two categories. One is the skincare and one is the makeup. So let's start with the skincare first. Also, I'll be showing my skincare routine for the night time and the morning routine separately in another video. So do check out those videos as well. But for today, I'm only showing you the items which I have got and the entire haul I'm going to show you. So let's start with the skincare, and skincare is nothing without a good cleanser. So this is the CeraVe cleanser. So this is the CeraVe cleanser, and I got this for around 300 to 400 price range. And this is a hydrating cleanser for normal to dry skin, and I think this works perfectly for my skin. It is a gentle hydrating cleanser, and it basically removes everything, all the makeup, all the dirt, and it cleanses very well without drying my skin entirely. So I think this is a hit for me. I've used this for past 1 month, and I think this is definitely a hit. 10 on 10 for this such price range, so I'll give this a 10 on 10. So the second one is the toner. So I've purchased Plum rice water and niacinamide 3% toner. So this is a clarity boost toner, and rice water basically it helps in toning your skin well and minimizing the pores, like the look of the pores. And I think this is a very good toner. I have read about this in a lot of reviews, and it works perfectly for me as well. I've not used it too much right now because it came late into my package. But I think it works really fine for me. It has definitely shown some difference in my skin, like the pores. I can see a little bit difference in my skin. So this is definitely 8 out of 10. But I think the rice toner from Bath and Body works well on my skin better than this. But this is definitely a good one. The third one which I have got is the famous moisturizer recommended by Alia Bhatt herself. So I was like, I really need to see what the hype is all about. So this is the DU in my defense barrier building skin food moisturizer. This is soothing, calming, strengthening, and nourishing moisturizer, and I think it is all worth the hype. It is so good. Whenever I put it on my skin, it definitely feels very nice, very soothing, very calming, and it is not too much bulky in the texture. It's very nice. It's very it has almost a gel-like texture, but not like it's not at all very heavy on the skin. It's very soothing, very calming, and also feels like my skin has been better after using it. So definitely it is beyond the price range, beyond the drugstore price range, but worth the hype. This retails for around 3,500 one bottle, which is around, I'll tell you the ml as well. So this retails for around 3,500 for 50 ml. So yeah, worth the hype. I love this product, and definitely if Alia Bhatt recommends it, you definitely got to try that. So the next product which I have purchased is the L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Instant Glowing Serum. This is the serum. This visibly minimizes spots for even glowing skin. It has 1% glycolic acid. This has definitely worked for me before as well, so this is definitely a repurchase for me. I've finished 2 bottles before this. Basically, it has minimized my dark spots or uneven skin tone, and definitely good. I can say L'Oreal Paris has done a great job on glycolic acid. Their hyaluronic acid is also good, but I think it after a certain point started giving me acne and breakouts. So I think glycolic bright is definitely much better than that. We cannot basically compare two serums, but I think this one is has better formula than the hyaluronic serum, and I have used better hyaluronic serums than the L'Oreal Paris one. So this is definitely a hit. Okay, so moving on, I have purchased the Plum's niacinamide as well, and I don't have the bottle right now with me. I forgot it somewhere. So I have purchased that, and it works really great. It has a milky texture on it, and when you apply it, it definitely helps you, feel very calm, and it gives like a skin barrier on your face, and it's very soothing. Its milky texture also gives it has a different texture, milkier texture, and it's heavy as well and lighter on the other side as well. So it's really good, and I will really definitely tell you guys to purchase it. It's really good. Okay, for the next one, I always wanted to try the eye patches for your skin. I because I have a little hollow patches under my eyes, and I wanted some nourishment to it before going out or sleeping at the night. So I have purchased this Dot and Key skincare eye patches. I'll open it once. I haven't opened it yet, so I will open it right now. So from inside, it looks like this. Yeah, so this is watermelon cooling hydrogel eye patches. It has hyaluronic and niacinamide inside it, and it is 60 patches per dabba. So it retails for around 895 rupees, but I have purchased this for around 700 or 8 700 to 600 to 700 or something like that. And I haven't used this yet, but I will definitely give you a review afterwards. So next one on my list for my hair care routine is this L'Oreal Paris Dream Length No Haircut Cream. This is a leave-in conditioner, and I always wanted to purchase this because this is a drugstore product, and such kind of you can say hair protectant I haven't come yet. Like this is a creamy hair protectant, and I really love this. I've used this quite a few times after I've got this. Uh, it has very creamy texture, and it feels really good on your hair. I'll show you how it feels. It has somewhat of this texture. It's really good, it's really soothing, and you can feel its soothingness in your texture as well. This was part one of my entire skincare haul from Nykaa, and I will review whatever was remaining and definitely come back to you again for part two. The part two is going to be the makeup haul, and stay tuned for that video as well. So see you next time in part two. Bye bye.